Our homes are our sanctuaries, but what if that sanctuary feels a bit, well, squeezed? Fear not, we've got crafty, cost-effective solutions that pack a punch in style and practicality, all tailored for compact living. From a versatile daybed to a shape-shifting dining table, and even a DIY hammock chair, we're here to prove that small spaces can indeed be big on comfort and charm. So, ready to turn your tight living room into a cozy, stylish haven? Buckle up for what Simp-Home has to offer. Number 12, get your living room a daybed. 2 ideas to try. Going down memory lane, we can't help but appreciate Thomas Schlosser's Daybed, a design originally by Paul Volther in the late 1950s. While the sources don't give us a step-by-step guide, this daybed's elegance and simplicity are enough to kindle our DIY spirits. Speaking of DIY, here's a beginner-friendly daybed idea by the amazing Brandy from Eternal Harvest Decor. She welcomes you to her DIY realm with open arms, guiding you through each step to make your own daybed. All you need is a few screws, some wood glue, brad nails, and your ability to adjust your space and align it with scratch you plan to use to build your new daybed dream. But why a daybed, you ask? Well, they're incredibly space efficient, ideal for serving a small living room guest or for indulging the owner of an empty rental master bedroom. Plus, they're easy on the pocket, especially if you're upcycling scrap wood. Too bad, however, no rose comes without thorns. A conventional daybed design may not carry the aesthetic appeal you can tolerate to welcome your upcoming guest or family member from another state. But fear not. We've got several alternatives up our sleeves that address these drawbacks. Number 11, a lounge sofa or futon idea from Imee Made. First up, consider a futon. It's like a daybed's distant cousin. Easy to set up, a futon solves the carpentry conundrum. However, comfort could be a challenge, but with the right mattress, it's a hurdle you can easily overcome. Come back to Imee Made. In her tutorial, she starts with using spring clamps to hold the plywood sheets together, cutting the plywood to size, cutting out the spines for the backrest, laminating 2 sheets together with wood glue, pre-drilling mounting holes, securing everything with 2.5-inch screws, and sewing a cover using upholstery fabric. Number 10, a sleeper sofa. Secondly, try a sleeper sofa. With a built-in bedding, it eliminates the comfort issue of a futon. However, it might still be a pinch in your pocket. Number 9, or better yet, a sleeper sofa bed with storage. Although it hasn't been as expensive and consequently as comfy as the previous idea, the current idea will answer your necessity for a better living room organization. Here's the highlight: broken down plywood sheets with a track saw and cut to final widths with a table saw. Add scraps under the plywood to lift it off the ground and prevent it from cutting through the floor. Chamfer the edges facing inward for visual interest and a comfortable edge to rest an elbow on. Pre-drill all screws before assembly and do a final sanding. Assemble the sides and back, then attach the front with screws from the outside of the side pieces. Attach the lift system from rockler to lift the couch up and store stuff underneath. Use 3 bolts to attach the bottom of the lift to the side and attach the top of the bottom to another sheet. Add stopper pieces to keep the bed from caving inwards. Number 8, a DIY sofa bed idea with jute webbing and a mirror from Sporty-bee. Not only improving a small living room, but our 4th alternative idea would also be your knight in shining armor if you plan to fix a memorable sofa you currently cannot let go of. Short tutorial: measure and cut foam and reinforce the frame for strength. Start attaching jute webbing and arms, ensuring they can be attached to the frame. Upholster the arms and front bottom of the sofa and add temporary legs. Consider adding beveled mirrors in non-weight-bearing areas for a unique touch. Attach the arms to the frame, attach the other part of the sectional, and finish upholstering. And make cushion covers with zippers for easy cleaning. If you're happy with that, however, consider idea number 7. Number 7. A modular sofa idea. Transformer-like furniture like Jamie Costaglio's modular pieces offers durable and adaptable alternatives to pricey designer daybeds. These easy-to-build items featuring industrial style and Simpson strong tie connectors are sturdy, toddler-proof, and versatile. With corner and middle units plus an ottoman, you can configure them to fit any space or need from lounging to working out. About relaxing while saving precious living space and freeing yourself from future maintenance commitments, one of the best ideas you can try is number 6, a DIY hammock chair idea. For those wanting a low-maintenance vacation vibes addition to their living room, a DIY hammock chair might be the perfect fit. Here's the quick guide. 1. Select a hammock suitable for your space. 2. Use adhesive to create a pocket for a rail in the hammock and strengthen the seat. 3. Prepare a rail and stoppers from dowels. Drill holes in the rail. 4. Slide the rail through the hammock's top fold and secure with stoppers. 5. Use a hanging kit to install hooks and thread a cord through clamp and lock bars. 6. Hang the hammock, twist the rail for security, and fold the sides for less bulk. 7. Add a cushion to maintain seat shape. Remember, ensure your seat is affixed to a weight-bearing structure for safety. No carpentry skills needed, just sturdy fittings. Number 5. A DIY wooden hammock chair stand idea. Looking for a relaxing spot to read a book or snooze in the breeze? Look no further than your own backyard with a cozy hammock chair. But what if you want to bring that comfort indoors and there's nowhere to hang it from? Don't worry, we've got you covered. First, clean and sand your board and branch. Vacuum away dust and seal the wood, followed by a stain. Next, bolt the branch to the board using 8-inch bolts, then attach the board to a wall with 12-inch bolts. Hang your hammock chair on the branch. Tip: use a branch from a dying tree and let the kids assist for a fun, hands-on experience. Number 4. A DIY plywood mini daybed idea. Erin Spain will teach you how to build a daybed that is ideal for use with hardwoods, softwoods, 2X lumber, pressure-treated lumber, OSB, plywood, and laminated beams. To start, cut the plywood with a straight edge as a guide. Attach the sides and partitions with pocket screws. Drill holes in the back and partitions, then connect them using screws. Attach the seat panel to the partitions with the screws and add legs to the daybed. Number 3. A DIY bench project idea from KITSMADE. Not only is it beautiful and cozy, but the project is also sustainable, as the foam rubber was upcycled from old mattresses. Plus, you'll have the satisfaction of knowing that it was custom made just for you. And who says you need to spend a fortune on fabric? Check out your local fabric discount store for great deals on a variety of colors and patterns. Number 2. An awesome waterfall side table project idea. In this project, we'll craft a table using a single canary wood board. Start by trimming it to around 10 inches wide or your preference. Mark the board for 4 miter cuts on 3 pieces to form the table's dual waterfall storage box. Use clamps for precision. Flip the board to create the waterfall effect, ensuring minimal material removal. Lastly, create a jig to hold mitered pieces at the right angle at the router table. Lastly, number 1, a dinner drop leaf table idea. Living in a compact space but love hosting? Meet the Drop Leaf Table, your big party in a small package. This ingenious table comfortably seats 2 but expands to accommodate 6, thanks to cleverly designed leaves. It's a dream of a solo dweller, and it's perfect for quiet tea times, work sessions, and yes, big festive gatherings. Winner of the Red Dot Best of the Best Design Award in 2021, this table merges high-tech design with traditional craftsmanship. Its sophisticated design blends CNC technology with traditional timber and metal craft, resulting in a piece that's as elegant as it is functional. And when the party's over, the leaves drop back neatly, and the table returns to its compact form, ready for the next gathering. Well, that's it for now. Before you leave this presentation, we'd like to appreciate every second you spend watching this video. If we deserve more of your attention in the future, press the subscribe button if you haven't done so already. Like the video if you believe it'll motivate the YouTube algorithm to push the video to more people. Honestly, though, it is more like a myth to us, so feel free to move on with your plan after the video ends. Lastly, we hope you have great luck with your health and project, and we'll see you again soon.